I've been to Home Goods in a while, but I have not taken y'all with me to Home Goods in a while. So let's get into Home Goods and see what they have today. Okay, it's just something about coming into Home Goods. I love looking over to the side too to see what people put on hold, because I'm just interested in what people are buying. But they still have a lot of cute little outdoor sets for what I think are affordable prices that you can still get. And based on where you live, you know, if the weather is going to be warmer for a bit longer, I think it is a good idea. Like I said, they ain't that bad price, and they're cute little sets that you can just continue to use. But I'm not sure, the weather might be changing soon out here. But they do have all the Halloween and fall stuff out now, which I think is so cute. And I really, really wish that I had the space to change my decor with every season and stuff like that, because I'm always looking and I'm like, oh, that'd be so cute, that would be so cute, that would be so cute. But I have no place to put it when I'm not using it, so I have to keep my decor year round the same. But these tables for outdoor, even if an indoor coffee table, I think they're super cute and I would use them for sure. But they do still have a lot of outdoor stuff, cute little plants, different things like that you could use inside or outside. But like I said, I'm loving the fall stuff. I used to be into pink real big. Now, not so much. No colors, really. It's like wood natural tones, black, white, cream, stuff like that. But like I said, if I had the space, that's why I'm trying to finally buy a house, because I want a garage to put all my stuff in and change out through the seasons, a basement or something. I want something to put this cute little stuff in. But if you have the space, go ahead down to Home Goods and get you some fall stuff right now, because they have everything out and it is just so super cute. And you know, all the year round stuff that they always have. I'm always I'm always debating on what I want to get. I want to do a coffee station in my house, and they had this cute little sign, only $13, and I was like, oh, should I get it? But I don't have things with words in my house, and I'm like, is that too nichey for a coffee station to have it? But it's simple, like the colors is just wood and the black, and I'm like, maybe I should get it. Spirit was like, grab it, but I hate to return stuff if I don't use it. But you can see they have all the full table, like the linen for the tables and stuff like that out now. Like everything you need right now is out for the fall, so you can just get your home ready for the season if you don't already have it. They always have cute little wine glasses. I love these, but my little cabinet with my wine glasses is already full, so no more for me. I have to stop buying stuff. I try to just keep what I need and not have excess, because one, too much clutter, and you don't need all that extra. They always have cute little colors and stuff for your bath, towels, rags, different things like that. So it's cute. You can decorate your guest bath, your regular bathroom, what have you. I'm looking to redo my bathroom too. It's an apartment, so it has to be apartment friendly, but I'm gonna try to go with black and white. And I saw these and I was like, do I get these? But I feel like I buy too many black pieces. But like I said, the theme is black and white, so I'm like, do I get these? And then they had this, which I thought would be cute for over the commode, you know, because I have a shelf there now. I had it there for a long time, and it is been through some stuff, so it's time to change it out and get something new. And I think that might be a good look with the white walls, but again, I'm not 100% sure, and I hate to return. But then I turned the corner and then I see the gray. I'm like, the gray doesn't look bad either. So I don't know. I have troubles. Then I've been seeing this artwork a lot there, and I like it. You could do this like a DIY with like some other things, but I like it. I don't know. I like the textures. It feels warm. It feels fall. Then I was trying to get her to get this for her room, because she's doing different type room, and she wants a music wall because she has an acoustic guitar and an electric guitar, but she said she did a guitar picture. Then they have, for me, great mirrors like this. If you have like a glam type home, you know, that luxe type look, this one was a good one, I thought, at least, and it's not that bad priced, and it was really big. But for me, I would probably go more with something like this because, like I said, I like the woods, the whites, the blacks. It was on clearance. I did see a few little dings in it, but I was trying to see if it had any major, because sometimes Home Goods, they'll have some major issues with stuff and it'll still be out on the floor. And then here's another wood option that you could probably do, and I think those are good like all year round, those type mirrors. And then they always have other mirrors and stuff. I think they're a good place for mirrors if you're looking. And then this piece of artwork, it was a little bit pricey, and I was like, maybe I could do a DIY with that. But I do like the texture of it. It wasn't overwhelming, but it was cute. And then I was like, ooh, if I had a seating area, like a little seating area in my bedroom or something like that, I would definitely do this couch. It's just something small that you could sit on, read on, you know, put your shoes on, but you would need the space for it. Spirit tired of me asking her to sit on things and test them out. I keep seeing this couch. I had a leather couch that I got from Wayfair. It wasn't leather, pleather, what have you. It started cracking after a couple months, and now it's sitting here, and it drives me crazy because it has cracks on the seat, and then I have to cover it with a blanket, and I feel like a little hobo. But I would love another leather couch, but I'm afraid to get one now. So I don't know. I have to replace the couches in the living room. And then we have these pieces, and these are right up my alley because they're white and black, and they're just like simple. So they have, if you need decorations for your shelves, different things, HomeGoods is always the best place to go because they have so much for so many different styles, you know, whether your luxe, your glam, your farmhouse, your boho, your whatever you are. Like, I live by the beach. If I wanted to go all out beach, you see, you want to do a little ethnic type feel in your home, they have all of that stuff now. You just have to be wary. You have to look and make sure whatever you're getting is good, you know, good quality. These, I love the pop of color in those, but like I said, that don't go with nothing that I have, but they are super cute. And I did notice that they have, I want to say a lot of stuff for dorms, you know. Now, this would have been cute if it's only $40, but if it wasn't broke. It was broken, like the latch on the other side was broken, but that would be cute as something stackable in your living room or something. This was cute. Just, I'm always finding something cute, and if I took everything home, I'd be living like a hoarder. Alright, so we left HomeGoods. I did not get anything, even though I'm still debating on the bathroom stuff. And I went off to Target, my other favorite place. I had to pick up some stuff from there. And every time I go there, I have to look around and see what's going on with their home decor and stuff like that. And every time I head in, I always head over to the dollar spot. I go about to 4 different Targets, and I never find the good stuff that people have online. I don't know, my Target is always picked through, but I always look to see if maybe they have something good, because I do go frequently, and once in a blue I will catch something good there. But if you remember the dollar spot from when the dollar spot was $1, they have changed so much. I do hate when some things are like $5 and I'm like, that should be $3, or you know, and you rarely ever see anything for $1 anymore. But they do have such cute stuff now. I had got these mats because, like I said, I was trying to do black and white, and it did not work out because Dolly comes in the bathroom and was covered in dog hair. I saw these baskets and I got so excited because I love a good blanket basket, you know, toss your pillows and different stuff like that. And it was like on the clearance. It said clearance. You see it, right? Big yellow sticker said clearance. So I was like, okay, let me scan it, because I was filming with my phone and I couldn't like scan it with my little app in my phone. So I was like, okay, let me scan it and see, because I would have sure got it, even though Sophia was like, you do not need another basket. I'll shush your face. Yes, I do. So, but when I scanned it, it was still regular price. So I don't know. I seen somebody with it later, and I was like, maybe it's scanned different at the register, because it was clearly on a clearance shelf. And then just like HomeGoods, you know, Target has all the back to school stuff so you can get ready for your dorm and stuff like that. I used to love me a good body pillow. But there is no space on my bed for a body pillow at this point in my life. So I don't have one anymore. But they have the little furry covers. I think feels so cozy. And then this was the best little fake plant that I saw there. The others were like giving off a lot of glare, but that one is a good option if you're looking for some greenery in your dorm room, not in your dorm room, wherever. But they have a lot of little cute stuff for the dorm, for your, you know, your room. This little footstool, because Saphira has decided she likes to put her feet up a lot. This one goes with my current couch now, but I don't think I'm gonna be getting that same color, so I don't think I would get that one. But I am looking for a little footrest for her, because she likes to put her feet up a lot now, and it's like driving me crazy because she'll do it on whatever's closest. But so they have little lamps, little things, like I said, a lot of stuff for your dorm room. And then here, I always come to this section every time I come into Target. I have a lot of their stuff. I don't know what I need a birdhouse for, but I thought it was so cute. But I like their line because it is so, you know, the colors are just basic colors, and it just goes with a lot of stuff, and it's not too loud. I was thinking about these cups for my coffee station that I want to do, and I'm looking for a cute black cup. But like I said, I feel like everything I lean towards is black. I have these, put my coffee pods in them for my Nespresso. I just turn it around so it doesn't say flour. Then I use the sugar one for the sugar. It looks cute, and like I said, clean and simple. But I'm looking to see what else I'm gonna put with this coffee station. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to set it up, but I have to get to that. Target is also a good place to get picture frames from. So you see these, and then they already have the poster board in it with the cutouts and stuff like that. That's a good one. And then they had this one. Like, I like picture frames, like something a little different, and it has the wood, and then it comes out like that. I thought that one was a cute one, and I think it was the $16 one. I wasn't 100% sure, but I think it wasn't the $8 one. It was the $16 one. And then they have these, which I thought were cute too. They have it in like a off-white, and then the brown, which is a good little, you know, not too much. They have these little things that goes with nothing that I have, but it's a good satin pillow. I don't know if you like to lay on a satin pillow, but it's better for your face, your hair, whatever. So that was good, and it was real cheap. They had these little cans. I thought they were like the other cans that I saw, that I swore were $10, and they had all this stuff. So you know how like when you have a communal bathroom in your dorm, so you want to carry your stuff. So they had all the stuff and the trash can. I was trying to figure out what, because there was a desk there, and I'm like, was the desk $30? Because that's a good deal for a desk. If it was $30, but they had a few good desk options here. I was trying to get Safira to get one because she has a little like jewelry makeup type station in her room, and it already has. I have a table for her, but I feel like she might need something new. I don't know, but she told me no, thank you. Again, they got all the back to school supplies. We're just not ready for that yet because school doesn't start until September. And I feel like she's more worried about clothes anyway than getting her notebooks and stuff. But this is a good, I felt like it was a good basic plate set for like a single person, 12 pieces. You can eat, you can have a friend over, you'll be good. And that was really it for the home decor that I was looking at. I went on to get some stuff for I had to get my groceries, and I was trying to find something for Dolly. I did not find it, and they did not have any cute little clothes for her at her size. But that was it. I hope you enjoyed. Picked up my groceries, like I said, and I left. But Target, HomeGoods, always good places to find you some good home decor. And I will see you in the next one.